Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. My name is Inshal Beg, and like previously we have done many of the things using React 18, and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we are doing through React 18. We have covered up many of the things. We have just built many of the like tags, and we have learned about many of the tags in React 18, and soon we will be building real world projects as well using React 18 and many other languages. We are building the real world project. You can check that my previous videos which I am uploading. Like I am also uploading the React 18 tutorial videos as well as I am also uploading the big videos. Like we are just building the projects using React.js and JavaScript like languages, so you can also check that out if you want to learn that projects. But today we are also building an amazing project, and I'll be telling you how to build this. So this video will be also really giving you help moving forward, and I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well, because it will be really helpful for you, and I hope you'll be enjoying and understanding today's video. So in today's video, we'll be learning about React 18, but in this video, I will be telling you what is conditional loading message in React 18 and how to build this amazing conditional loading message in React 18. Means this is a tag here which we will be using in React 18, and I'll be telling you how to use this conditional loading message and what is this basically conditional loading message which we are getting in React 18. I've told you about conditional formatting in previous videos, so you can check that out if you want to learn, and I've also told you about conditional rendering, so you can also check that video out, because from that you will be having a good concept of conditional works which we are doing or which we have done previously on. So moving forward, we'll be building more things using conditional formattings, so that will also giving you help. But today in this video, I'll be telling you what is conditional loading message. So this video will be really helpful for you. If you see it from start to end, you will be learning things, and if you learn things and if you like this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so I can just see my all the coming up videos. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope that will be also very helpful for you. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to just build and how to use this amazing tag of conditional loading message in React 18. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using React 18, and today I'll be telling you what is conditional loading message in React 18. So now we'll be starting with our video, and we will be learning what is conditional loading message in React 18. So for building this conditional loading message in React 18, you have to open your VS Code. So like previously on in the every project of React 18, we were using VS Code as our text editor. So today also I'll be using it, and in coming up videos as well. So now we'll be moving to file and pressing open folder. Like you all know that I've already created one folder of React 18, and I'm working with that, which is available on local disk E. This is the F1 folder. You can just create your folder if you are having, or you can just open it also if you are already build your folder and if you are working with the same one. So I will be now running my React 18 app by writing the command of npm start. When we want to run any React or React 18 app, so we write the command of npm start, and if you want to run Next.js 13 or Next.js app, so you write npm run dev to run that. But we are working with React 18, so I'll be writing npm start. So this is our main file here, app.js, and this is app.css. These are the two main files which we will be working on with our project. So in the previous video, we have learned about this alert tag. So just I will be removing this because now we have just learned that. In the previous video, I've telling you about the components and templates, and I hope you enjoy that video. But now in this video, we'll be learning about conditional loading message, and I'll be telling you how we get a conditional loading message. So now you can see our React 18 app is running. Now we will be getting the command of starting development server. You can see we are getting, now it is running my development server on my default Microsoft Edge browser. So I will be doing it side by side. At the left, we are getting our VS Code, and then at the right, we are just getting our Microsoft Edge browser here as our default browser. So I'll be doing it side by side. You can see we are just now getting, then you can see it is saying compiled successfully, means it is working now. So I will be closing it, and then here I will be moving to public folder and then this main file. From here you can change the title. So I will be changing the title because today we are not learning about variables and templates. Today I will be telling you about conditional. So here I will be now writing conditional loading message. So today we are learning about conditional loading message. I'll be giving the title. You can see now title we are just getting of conditional loading message. So here I will be moving in my app.js file because title has been changed. Now we'll be learning about this tag. Basically conditional loading message is a tag, not any of the tag. It is a backend work which I want to show you. So if I move to inspect And after moving to inspect, if I move to this arrow and press console, at the console you will be getting one conditional loading message which we get here on this paragraph. So for getting the conditional loading message, here you have to write alert. After writing alert, here I will be writing this is conditional message. So here I will be writing, then I will be closing it, pressing enter. You can see now we are just getting a conditional loading message which is saying that this is conditional message. So like this, here you can get this conditional loading message. So we are just getting localhost 3000 says this is conditional message. So here you can just give any of the command of your conditional message which you want to give. Then you can just press enter here by writing this tag, and when you will be pressing OK, so your conditional message will be forwarding here. Press OK. You can see now it is saying undefined because we have not defined anything in our conditional loading message. If I write again this alert tag, and in alert tag if I write my conditional message again, because we are just want to show our conditional message. So here I will be writing this is, so here I'll be writing this is conditional loading message like this. Now I will be pressing enter. You can see now we are getting the conditional loading message which is saying that localhost 3000 says this is conditional loading message, because in alert tag we have written this is conditional loading message. So like this you can work with this conditional loading message. It is works basically conditional loading message is a pop-up window like thing which works at the back end when you are working with JavaScript or React like languages. So we work with this conditional loading message as well, but a difference is that we are not working it on front end. We are working with this conditional loading message at the back end. So at the back end, when I define this alert tag from which we are getting this conditional loading message pop-up window which is saying localhost 3000 says, because we are getting the localhost of 3000. If you are getting any other localhost with any other number, so it will be defining that localhost here. So when I've reloaded, all the things has been removed. Now if I write here alert again, in alert I'll be writing this is conditional loading message. So here this is giving error. Now I will be writing here conditional like this, or here I will be taking this C2 capital, conditional loading message like this. Then here I will be closing it, press enter. Now we are again getting the command which is saying that conditional loading message, means our pop-up window is working, and this was the conditional loading message pop-up which I want to show you, and like this we can work on with conditional loading message. So I hope you understand what is basically this conditional loading message is and how we can work with this conditional loading message. So there are many ways of working with conditional loading message. You can also work with by using console.log tag which we basically use in JavaScript. So if you write here conditional loading message, so here I will be writing this same thing here which I have written. So here if I written this, then press enter, you can see now it is showing this conditional loading message by writing. One way is to just show it by writing, and then second way is to just show it by using the conditional loading message formatting pop-up window which I have shown you. So if I want to show that pop-up window again, I will be using alert tag and I'll be writing same thing, pressing enter. You can see now it is showing me the pop-up window here. This is the second way to show your message. And there is one last way as well, which is called the third way to show your message, which is called print tag. So for using this print tag, first of all you have to make a let. Let is equals to, like if I write here in this colon, if I write conditional loading message, means I want to show this message here on my window. So here I'll be pressing enter. You can see it is showing me in the column, but I want that it should not be shown in the column. It should be shown in the, it should be shown separately. So here I will be writing console.log let, because I've defined the let here, and in let I've defined condition. So here I will be now just pressing enter. You can see now it is showing me condition loading message because I've written that, but I want that it should be written conditional loading message. So just I'll be pressing tab, writing here conditional loading message, press enter. It is showing me in the column way. Now if I want to show it separately, I will be writing console.log let, press enter. Now it is showing me conditional loading message in a one line. So like this we can work with this. So these was the three ways to show your message using conditional loading message. First way was to show it by using this pop-up window of conditional loading message. Second way was by using console.log tag which we use many of which we use like in JavaScript. Then third way was using let tag, or you can say using print tag. You can just print your text here which you want to print. We want to print conditional loading message, so we have print that. So like that you can work with this project. So I hope you understand what is conditional loading message and how many ways are there to show your message using conditional loading message. So if you have understand this video and enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos, and you can be notified with all the future videos as well, because I'll be bringing up more videos like that. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, good bye.